Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your time zone on TradingView. So all you need to do is to open TradingView and then log into your account. Once you are on the chart, all you need to do is press on the gear icon in the top menu. As you can see here, this is the settings. For any reason you cannot find this gear icon settings here, you simply press on right click on the chart. You will see settings on the top, on the bottom of the options. You press on settings and then you can see time zone. Now all you need to do is just to choose the time zone that suits the country that you live in. You can see all the countries here in order, so you can simply choose the time zone that suits you, and that's it. And then simply press on OK, and then that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.